So check this out. You tap the link in your bio and then you're redirected into your own customized websites that is connected to all your other links. Pretty cool, right? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own digital business card with a simple yet very powerful tool called Tapbio. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelson, and over here is where we go over tips and tricks on how to bring more customers into your website. So if you have an online business or you plan on having an online business sometime in the future, then consider subscribing because I want to be a part of your success. And if you stay until the end of this video, I have a gift prepared for you aspiring entrepreneurs out there. It's going to help you out a lot. And with that being said, let's jump right into the video. Today we're going to be going over a little app called Tapbio, and what Tapbio does is it helps influencers, creators, entrepreneurs, and brands connect their followers to the things that they are promoting. And it's very simple. It's only one job, is to bring people into your websites. And if you have an online business or you leverage social media and you use Instagram, this is like music to your ears because more traffic is more money. So I'll just show you around my Tapbio so you have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. What you're looking at right now is the home page of my Tapbio. It's very simple, very clean. I have a picture of myself, my name, occupation, and my website, and of course social media handles. Right under there is a little bio that people could read to know what you're about. So my mission here is to help you take that first step to launch your online business, because life is too short to build somebody else's dream. So somebody come into my homepage and read this, they will know exactly what I am about. People can swipe left to find my YouTube channel or find other things that I'm promoting. And what I like about this is you can watch the video directly on the Tapbio app. Welcome back to my channel. Here is where we go. Anyways, you can see your latest video, the most recent one, and if you don't want to watch the latest one, you can even scroll down to look at other ones. You click on it and same thing, you can watch all the videos on your channel straight from the Tapbio. So these little pages are called cards. So this is the YouTube card, this is my profile card, and then back to my private Facebook group card. And you know, somebody comes into my Tapbio, they know exactly what it is about. I am promoting my Facebook group, and there's only one action to take, and it is this big blue button to gain instant access. So if they are interested in joining my Facebook group, they click on that and they will be directed into the Facebook group. And because Tapbio is such a simple app, you can't really edit much on the app. You can't really customize it except for, you know, changing the link of where you want the redirect to be, and changing the call to action text and the color. You can change the color of the button. If you don't like blue, you can go with purple. There you go. So simple. You just change the color of it, and then this what is it called? This icon is to let you edit the background. So this background I edited through Photoshop. So if you do not have any picture that is customized to you, you can go on Google and just, you know, search for royalty-free stock photos, and that will get the job done just fine. See, if you're like me who have multiple links that you're promoting, you can see why this is a super powerful tool to use. This, I am promoting an affiliate offer, and I just threw it right on my Tapbio. So if somebody comes to my Tapbio and you know, they know that I help people start their online business and they want to take immediate action, they can go right into my 15-day online business builder challenge and get right to work without even needing to message me first. And just a little, you know, I have a lot of goodies that I like to give away to my audience. So I have an ebook that I'm giving away, I have a formula that I'm giving away, and a blueprint. So all these you can find on my Tapbio. So now let's actually create a card together because it's so simple. You see on the top left, that plus sign? We're gonna click on that, and then all the templates are gonna come out. You can choose from either one single call to action multiple links, or you can collect emails. If you're into lead gen, you can do that. YouTube, we have that. Twitter, that one's covered, and you can just choose whichever one you want. But for the sake of this simple example, we're gonna go with the simple one. And wow, this is very simple. You can see, tap here to add a headline. So I'm going to make this card a contact me one. So I'll write, ask me a question. It's actually me. And add a link. This one's very simple. Tap here, message me. Message me, 2 exclamation mark, so people know that I'm serious. And the URL would be m.me/realNelsonLam. So this is the link for my Facebook Messenger link. And so once somebody click on that, they're going to be instantly, they're gonna be messaging me on Facebook. Right? I'll show you on the phone later. I can't do it on the desktop right now. Just put that on the bottom. I don't really like this purple actually. We're going to be changing that to navy because Facebook is navy, so we're gonna keep it like that. And there you go. Oh, if you want to change the background, let's change it to a different background because I already have that on my profile card. Alright, so I'm going to choose the picture with me sitting on a chair with just my face on it because this one looks pretty friendly. They're going to be messaging me, so they gotta know how I look like. And that is literally it. You save it, and boom, your card is ready to go. So taking it back to the mobile version, I already have the link on my bio. And then look, there it is. There is the card that we've created together. And if you click on the message me, it will go straight to the inbox for my Facebook. I like the name Tapbio a lot because it's short, it's easy to read, and it's straight to the point. You tap on the bio and the URL is clean. So just tap.bio/your username. Mine, fortunately enough, it's Nelson, so it's just tap.bio/Nelson. Very clean, not very spammy, which means if you're an affiliate marketer and you have many affiliate links, you can just mask all of them with Tapbio, which means that you don't have to use any URL shortener and send somebody a generic bit.ly link that everybody uses. Now I know what you're thinking, Nelson, this app is so revolutionary, there's no way it's free. And you're right, it's not free. Well, part of it's kind of free because you have a free trial. But the trial is 7 days for the gold package. So let's take a look at the prices. All right. So here's the plan you can choose from. You can choose basic, silver, or gold. When you first sign up, you get the gold package on trial 7 days, and after that, you're going to have to buy it. So I use Tapbio professionally, which is why I'm going to go with the gold package. Reason being, it gives me unlimited cards compared to silver and basic. Basic, you only get 1 card. It's free, that one's free, but you can only make 1 card, and I'm an affiliate marketer, so it wouldn't make sense for me to just go with the basic package. Silver is good if you're not doing this professionally, or you are and you don't have that many links, then I think silver you'll do just fine. But me, I went straight into the gold package because the trial was gold and I got just so used to it. I made 5 cards and I absolutely love the app, so I went for gold. And the gold pricing is, if you sign up right now, it's $4 per month. It's half of what it originally is because of the COVID-19. They're giving 50% off to users for their first year. Then it will go back to $8 a month, which is still pretty fair if you want to be using it professionally. And plus, you get unlimited cards. So as time goes on and you get another affiliate offer, then you can just add it right onto your Tapbio, and that's more exposure for you. So if you want to get into Tapbio, choose the plan that makes the most sense for your brand, and the link is in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you use my link, it helps me out a little bit. If you're going to choose a plan, keep in mind If you choose Gold, you're going to get Facebook tracking, Pixel, and Google Analytics integration. And it sounds complicated, but what it means is you can see analytics of who views your page and how many impressions you get. So I made my Tapbio about a week ago, and I can see today how many people got on, how many people got on my page. This week I have 39 page views, and the month is the same thing because I've made the account within this week. So you get to see that information if you're a gold or platinum. You also get to hide this friends page. If you don't want people to see this page, you can hide it with the gold package and above. Silver and basic, this is going to be on the end of your slideshow. Tapbio is so simple. I literally just showed you every corner of the entire app. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. I spent a lot of time filming and editing this video, so if you have learned something new, please drop me a like. It really helps my channel out, and it tells me that you guys are enjoying content like these. And before I let you go, I'd like to invite you to join our private Facebook group, The Millionaire Pod, where I post exclusive resources that will teach you how to grow your online marketing business. And so if you've thought about starting an online marketing business, or you have an online marketing business, or you just want to connect yourself with like-minded aspiring entrepreneurs, then I'd be more than happy to have you join us on the ride. The invitation link is in the description below, and while you're down there, feel free to grab a copy of Affiliate Essential, which is my ebook where I go over the nuts and bolts of my business, affiliate marketing. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.